Good morning. Welcome to CJ TV. Like, subscribe, and share this video. Here are basic tips that every basic statistics student or educational student should have on their fingertips or at the back of their mind. Let's start with the central tendency, where we would speak to the median, the mode, and the mean, and we compare to how it would determine the shape of a distribution. Now, when it comes to a distribution, we can have positively skewed distribution or negatively skewed distribution. We can also have the normal distribution. In fact, there are two types of distribution. Either it is normal or skewed. If the distribution is skewed, that is where we have the positive skewed or the negative skewed distribution. Now, how would the central tendency determine the shape of a distribution? Now, when we look at the mean, when we talk of mean, the mean is the summation of observation over the number of observation. That gives us the mean. With the median is after we arranging the distribution. If it is not arranged, then we look for the middle number within the distribution. Now we are going to compare the mean and the median to determine the shape of the distribution. Now, if the mean is equal to the median, then we can say that the distribution is normal. For example, if you have a group of scores, let's say 10 students and their scores, when we add up all their scores and divide it by the number of 10, let's assume that the mean is 20. Now, when we arrange these scores, either ascending order or descending order, and we look for the median, and the median is 20, such a distribution can be determined to be normal because the mean and the median are the same. So the distribution is normal. On the other hand, if the mean is greater than the median, let's say the mean of a class is 50 and the median of the class is 30. In this case, the mean is greater than the median, or the median is less than the mean. What it implies is that the distribution would be positively skewed, and the implication is that performance of the student is not good. That is the implication for such a situation. Now, whenever the mean is less than the median, or the median is greater than the mean. For this scenario, let's take a class where the median of the scores in mathematics is 40 and the mean of the class is 25. You would realize that 40 is greater than 25. Perhaps the median is greater than the mean, or 25 is less than 40. Perhaps the mean is less than the median. In this scenario, the distribution would move to the left, which is negatively skewed distribution. What does it tell us? It tells us that the performance of the students is good. It means that there are more of the students having high scores than low scores. In other words, if it is the positively skewed, then we can also conclude that performance is not good, that there are more students having low scores than high scores. So in a summary, we can say that a positively skewed distribution is where the distribution moves to the right. Which implies that the mean is greater than the median, or the median is less than the mean. That says that there are more students having low scores than high scores. On the other hand, if it is negatively skewed, it means that it is moving to the left. This implies that there are more students having high scores than low scores. Perhaps the median is greater than the mean. Thank you for watching this. Subscribe, share for more tips so that when I drop a new video, you'll be the first to get it. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.